See, there'll be a lip right here. It sits just behind it, just like that. Okay, it'll catch itself, and then it has to match up. That has to match with that. That has to match with that. How is it, Sadiq? When you're done with?
Yeah, it's clean, it's smooth.
Fucking good, man. It's good right there, man. It's good money right there. Right, that'll do, mate. That'll do. Because now it looks like a...
Indigo production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are fitting a diffuser to the back of the car. Okay, now be very careful. The GTI is a totally different diffuser. The 7.5 facelift Golf R is a totally different diffuser. The pre-facelift, which is my model, is a totally different diffuser. Okay, so don't get confused and buy the same one as me and hope for it to fit. Okay, this is how it comes. That, and again, this is off eBay and not Maxton, because Maxton charge £180 for that. I think that only cost me like £80 or £90. Right, I'm just using the Maxton thing to sit on. And again, like I was saying, screws, self-tapping screws. So the spoiler is holding up. So I don't see there being any problem with this. Now, when you get here, now it doesn't come with any tape over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put some 3M tape just on this, because I don't actually, and over here as well, because I don't actually trust it, to be honest. So this sits, see, there'll be a lip right here. It sits just behind it, just like that. Okay, it'll catch itself. And then it has to match up. That has to match with that. That has to match with that. Okay, just like that. Okay, when you push it in a bit, you see that? So I'm gonna put 3M tape on that so that sticks there. This will be the bigger one. You see it? It's not curved. This one is curved for that. Okay. So if you 7.5 are totally different. GTI totally different. Normal Mk7 totally different. Okay. So just be very careful. This is only for the pre-facelift. And it also comes with flaps. I think these are going like that, I think, Annie. Yeah, like this. I'll figure it out. It's one of the ways. Okay, that's gonna go like that. Okie dokie. Let me take all this off, wrap a ring, and get sorted. Also, one more thing is, you won't need to jack your car up if your car's lowered, because there's enough space for you to get even a long screwdriver. So you don't need to jack the car up, okay? Unless your car is lowered, then you will need to have to jack it up. But for me, no jack, just straight here, okay? What number is it in?
Oh,
Can you see me alright?
3.
How is it?
Yeah.
That's the new camera, man. This is the first time Sadiq's using the camera. Yo, Sadiq, go now. I'm just putting in the surface of the area of this. How is it, Sadiq, the new camera?
Yeah, it's clean, it's smooth.
Fucking good, man. It's good right there, man. It's good money right there. Actually, I don't even need to clean them sides. I just need to clean it. Okay, see what I've done here? See that? Just like that. Bang, bang, and bang. Would be bang. Right, so I should put these to the side because we don't fuck with that yet. So what I need to find out is the holes, right? So what I do, that, and that is going to go like that, okay? So, best way here now. I'm not going to take the tape off just yet. Just yet. Actually, you reckon I should just tape it like that? No, I need to screw in it. Screw straight in it. Screw first. Just so I got the holes in line. I'll do that. Right, so you ready? See, there's not that.
Yeah.
See, there's not that. That's gonna go like that. That's gonna go on that. That on that. And that middle. And stay like that. Good there. And just let it hang just like that. Beautiful, mate. So now I'm gonna just get all four. See how it's hanging there? Just gonna get all. How many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 on this. Get 4 of these in. Screws. I think screws are now the better thing to do. But they're not self-tapping ones. They're just. It's gonna use it. Fuck, I'm just gonna use it. Ooh, hold on. Make sure you push it as well a bit. Get them out. Not all the way. Because I still need to take the tape off. So there you go, how's the new camera, mate? Fucking alright. Right, you won't be able to see this one, so but be vigilant.
Because it's shit.
Hold up, 1 sec. Has it moved out of alignment? This one does not behaving. It's got a bit of curvature. This one's going to need like a little, just to get it lined up with that. So I'm going to hold it like this, pushing it that way, whilst I drill this one. If I let go of it, it's going to... Oh, you fuck. Because if I let go, see the gap? See the gap it makes there? So you see that? It makes a little gap. So what I'm doing, I'm just pushing it against it. Oh yeah, because if I leave that gap, then this doesn't really touch that. This doesn't touch it there. Be vigilant, mate. Be fucking vigilant. It's fucking hard, this. There we go, got it. That will fucking do that. And then one more right in this middle there, which will not need any pushing. Right, all 4 holes are in. It's better if I put it on the actual car because it's actually sticking to it. This is too skinny and the plastic isn't really smooth, it's just coming straight off it. I'll put that on there. Right, city. Oh, that's hot. Push down there, push down there. Yeah, it's just this one here. Not sticking. No, it's fine. I'm gonna bother with it. I don't think you need it. Just let it hang. Now you want to fucking stick, don't you? Fucking give me fuck. It's tricky on that. Do you think it'll hold that? Fucking old man. Fucking knackered. Right, what do you think, Steve? With it or without? Now, when you look at the whole car, when you look at that side, and then just with the
Fuck, it looks the same, mate.
even if you don't have it on. Yeah, fuck this. Piece of shit. Right, that'll do, mate. That'll do. Because now it looks like a elegant one. It's like it's made into it. If I put these on here, little fucking run flaps, it'll look. Yeah, that'll do, mate. You know what? I'm fucking tired. Fingers fucked. Right, I'll see you in the next one.